Macho, open the road race Hot Wheels. Okay?
Hey, forget to clap your hand, boy.
Come on.
You should put
Macho,
it back or you put it back anyway.
listen to daddy.
Daddy.
Go. Press the button.
Yeah.
Yay. Macho, what you gonna do? You gonna line up that? I thought you're gonna do the racing. Come on. The Rubik's.
Good.
What are you doing, boy? All right.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah.
That's your heart, boy.
Step.
Yay.
Just
Are you
upside
happy,
down,
boy?
Keep it around.
Your brother's already sleeping.
Keep it around, boy, like that.
But you're still awake, but can you introduce
Oh,
all
you
your
pop
toys?
me.
Okay? Please.
This is sharp right here.
Look at the Hot Wheels race over there. Oops.
Why you wanna keep it around? For what?
Don't push it, boy.
The other one, boy. What you gonna play? That one? Why don't you open the Hot Wheels down there? Macho, what's that? This is Uno, the popular playing cards.
That's not the way how you play, boy. You have to open it. Come on. Macho, open this. Open it. Pull this. Pull this up. Pull it. Macho.
Mark, what are you doing, boy? Oops. Macho, what you doing? You wanna put sticker on your car? Batman right there? All right, you learn, you know how to play, boy. How about your brother? That was Spider-Man. You have to make it straight, boy. All right, one more. You're doing it perfectly now, boy. Yay!
G.
Press the button.
G.
Yay! You did it. Good.
What?
You turn off the light, but you still clap your hands, huh? Look at that. You just turn off the lights. That's your heart, boy. All right. My son already sleep. All right. That's nice, boy. That's big. That's big, boy. You need to use the remote control. Don't force it like that. See what happened when you force it? See?
The base.
See, that's the one you said?
Yes, that's the one, but you need to change the battery. Why did you slam it like that, boy?
Is it working? We need to change the battery. All right, ready for YouTube. There's a lot of ties right there, all the way to the floor.